We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Vector Algebra. The problem is based on the concepts of vector products. This question has appeared in the Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 24th June 2022 in the first session. The problem is, let A, B be unit vectors if C be a vector such that the angle between vector A and vector C is pi by 12 and vector B is equal to vector C plus 2 times vector C cross vector A. Then modulus of 6C square, mod of 6C square is equal to, we are given 4 options. Option A, 6 into 3 minus root 3. Option B, 3 plus root 3. Option C, 6 times 3 plus root 3. Option D, 6 times root 3 plus 1. So we are given A, B as unit vectors and vector C is given such that its angle with A is pi by 12 and vector B is equal to vector C plus 2 times vector C cross vector A. Then we have to find mod of 6 times vector C square, mod square is equal to, we have to find from these 4 options. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have A and B are unit vectors, and given that the angle between the vector A and vector C is pi by 12 and vector B is given to be is vector C plus 2 times vector C cross vector A. Now mod B square, mod vector B square, that is none other than 1, but mod B is this, therefore C bar plus 2 times C bar cross A bar, make a dot product with itself because B is this and mod B square is B dot B, therefore this dot this. Now make a dot product. First C dot C plus 2 times C cross A dot C plus C dot 2 times C cross A bar plus 2 into 2 4 times C cross A dot C cross A. So that is what we have done here. So C dot C is mod C square, agreed, and this will be 0, this will be 0 and this is also 0 because they are equal. Dot product is commutative and vector C dot C cross A is the scalar triple product of C, C, A, and it will be 0 because 2 vectors are equal. In its answer, in the determinant, 2 rows will be equal and thereby this dot product thus this scalar triple product will be 0, and this is mod of 2 into 2 4 mod of C cross A square, mod square. So this will be mod C square, and this is 0, the second is 0, 2 into 2 4 times mod of C cross A square. And why these are 0? C bar dot C bar cross A is equal to, the dot product is commutative, and this is none other than the scalar triple product of C, C, A, and two vectors are equal, and therefore in its determinant two rows will be equal, and thereby the determinant becomes 0. So that is 0. So 0, 0. We got it. Okay. So now mod C square into 4 times C cross A is mod C into mod A into the sine of the angle between C and A, that is pi by 12, into the unit vector n had, the unit vector n, where the unit vector n is perpendicular to both the vectors C and A, and mod square. If you take the mod square, n hat dot n hat will be 1, and you will get mod C square plus 4 times mod C square, because you are taking the square here, and mod A is a unit vector, mod A is 1, and n bar is also a unit vector, mod of that is also 1, and sine square pi by 12, you get it. And you must know the value of sine of pi by 12. Pi by 12 means 15 degrees. You can make it a formula, sine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, and you will get sine 15 degrees. That you can, if you know sine pi by 12, you write. Otherwise, it is very easy to see here. Sine of pi by 12 is equal to sine of pi by 4 minus pi by 6. This is 45 minus 30 degrees. And sine 15. So that will be equal to sine of A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. And write down sine pi by 4, 1 by root 2, cos pi by 6, root 3 by 2, minus cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2, sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Agreed. Now the LCM is 2 root 2, and that will be root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So that's this value, you put it here. So the next step, mod C square, 4 times mod C square into sine square of pi by 12 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 whole square. And that is equal to mod C square into 4 times mod C square into, if you square it, you will get 4 minus 2 root 3 by 8, and 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, you will get 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2, and that is 2 minus root 3. So this will be mod C square plus mod C square into 2 minus root 3. So 2 minus root 3 plus 1, that is 3 minus root 3, and mod C square into 3 minus root 3. Therefore, I can get mod C square value. Mod C square value will be 1 by 3 minus root 3. Now rationalizing the denominator, to rationalize this one, multiply both numerator and the denominator by 3 plus root 3. Then you will get 3 plus root 3 by 3 minus root 3 into 3 plus root 3 is 3 square, 9 minus 3, that is 6. That is 6. So that's your mod C square value. But we want mod 6 vector C square and that will be equal to 6 square into mod vector c square, and that is equal to 6 square into mod 6 square from the above 3 plus root 3 by 6, 6 cancels, and you will get 6 times in brackets 3 plus root 3. So that's your answer. Let's look at our options, and our answer 6 times 3 plus root 3 appears against option C. Therefore, our answer is option C. So that is the discussion of the solution of a problem from the vector algebra based on the concepts of vector products. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. I wish you all the best. Thank you.